My name is Alice Tarzadeh and I'm one of the co-founders of Slow Down Food Co-op. Slow Down is a member-run community food co-op with the aim of making good food, fresh food, affordable to everyone in the community, creating community connection. Coming together as a community, we have this strength in numbers to be able to bring the prices down of good food, and it means that other people can have access to good food with paying less or nothing. I've met so many friends through this. It's such a beautiful place to come once a week, and I think it's been a real lifeline to be able to come out here, get involved in something for things to still be going on. That's what I get out of it, just like the pure joy of seeing mutual aid and solidarity, just trying to help each other out as neighbours, and it's definitely been the most community I've felt in a place.
I'm Amal, I'm the project manager for the Wales World Cafe. Wales World Cafe was started by a group of women from the Golden Years project to empower women from diverse ethnic minorities to be economically self-sufficient.
My name is Rehana Nadeem, and then I came from Pakistan. We are cooking here in the cafe every Friday. The best thing I enjoy for my friends with the meet together and then cooking. It's mean the whole world is here in this community center. I enjoy for the cooking for myself. I like cooking for the peoples.
Women from the community love coming here. They exchange numbers and they become friends. They show each other what to do in case of this issue happens, and they feel that they have a family around, they're not on their own.